This is not your typical race. This is Pikes Peak. The biggest challenge by far is the mountain itself. It started in 1916. 156 turns and hardly any guardrails. Unpredictable weather, hail, sleet, snow. It's the highest race in the world. The finish line is above 14,000 feet. You get one chance. Some of the biggest names in racing have come here for a shot at history. Andretti, Unser, and then there's us. No giant budget, no state-of-the-art car. We're just in my old man's garage. It felt like David versus Goliath when I started, but that's all gone.
Here comes Tim Hardy to the finish line. It's gonna be close.
Only a handful of drivers have ever made it in 10 minutes or less, and I'm proud to say I'm one of them.
He's done it, 9:59.
But we're still the underdog. It takes a lot of hard work, a little bit of craziness, I think. One of my recent life changes was I had a daughter. It's definitely made me think about the risks that I'm taking. You basically have to rationalize danger. Once you put your suit on, once you put your helmet on, you kind of have to let that go and focus on the track. This is more than just a race to me. It's about friendship, family, dedication to something that you love and that you strive for. I really want my family to be proud, my friends to be proud. I especially want my daughter to be proud and give her inspiration on what you can do if you have a dream. It's a passion. I live for this. I'm Tim Hardy, and this is the AutoERASERS hill climb car about to take on Pikes Peak.
Great.